Good morning. What's up? How you doing this morning? Hey, you know what? What I was thinking about? Nobody wake up in the morning and say, you know what? I'm gonna fail today. I don't care what happened. That's my mission. That's my goal to fail. I just don't know nobody like that. But what I do know is if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Most people don't have a plan. A lot of people just living day by day. They don't set goals. You know what I'm saying? They not inspired by anything. It's just like, hey, I'm just living. We rolling with the punches. Stop rolling with the punches. Start planning. Plan for your future, plan for your kids, plan for your family. Wake up in the morning with a purpose. Wake up in the morning with a purpose. Live on purpose. I'm challenging you to do that today. Have a plan. Sit down, go over what you're trying to do, go over your bills, create a plan, create a budget. Go over your goals, short term and long term. Make it happen. Live on purpose.